Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Please subscribe. Today we'll try this, guys. This Korean stir fry with cheese. Ito pala yung mga seasoning niya, guys. Subukan natin. Natin yung ano niya. Parang so spicy to, guys. Natikman ko there. I can smell the cheese, guys. Parang na-mix nitong seasoning niya. Bango. Tikman na natin, guys, kung gaano kaanghang. Masarap siya dyan.